Will AI take your job?
The great replacement.
Your job is now ITSS.
Will AI take your job? My answer is no. But the person next to you who's using it, they might. Here's the data. A controlled study from GitHub, Microsoft, and MIT took 95 professional developers, split them into two groups, gave one group an AI assistant, and measured the results. The group with AI finished 55% faster. The same task, the same skill level. They went from 2 hours and 40 minutes down to 1 hour and 11 minutes just by using the tool. And this is not just a developer story. Writers, designers, the same gap is opening up in every field between people who use AI and people who don't. Now, let me show you how a developer can use an AI tool to multiply their output. Tools like Claude, Copilot, and Cursor are changing what one person can build and how fast they can build it. For this demo, I'm going to use Claude Code. And what I'm going to build is a personal finance tracker. Let's do it. First, make sure you have a Claude Pro subscription or higher. This is required to use Claude Code. Next, install Claude Code based on your operating system, whether you're on Windows, or Mac. On my end, I'm using a Mac, so I'll install it using Homebrew. I'll open the terminal inside Visual Studio Code and run the installation command from there. I wrote down the exact features I need in a structured prompt. Think of it as the story of the application. It covers the features I want, the design I have in mind, and the technical requirements. To launch Claude Code, I'll open the terminal and simply type the word Claude and hit enter. Now, instead of pasting the prompt manually, I'll use the @sign command to reference the story file directly. This tells Claude Code exactly where to find the requirements. Then I'll instruct Claude to read the story and build the application based on everything described in it. Done. Claude Code has generated an index file. Let me open it and run it in the browser. And there it is, the application fully built. We have the dashboard, a full summary of all expenses, the ability to create and manage transactions, and a lot more. AI is not here to replace you. It is here to assist you. It is here to increase your efficiency, not take your place. A fully working app in just a few minutes. It tracks income and expenses, shows your monthly balance, visualizes your spending, days of work. Done. That is what using AI actually feels like. Not hype, not a demo, a real thing built in real time in front of you. So the question was never about AI replacing you. The real question is much simpler. Will you pick up the tool before someone else does?